how to fix 100% high CPU usage in Windows 11. Now this is actually very simple. The first thing that we are going to do is just try to close all of the things that we are opening here, like for example this one. I'm going to go ahead and basically close all of the windows that I have here. All right, and then we're just going to go ahead and proceed. I'm gonna leave this one here for now because I'm recording, but basically what you're going to do is just open the run here, and then you're going to go ahead and basically type here msconfig, and then open it, and then we're going to head over to services. Now here, I want you to go ahead and hide all the Microsoft services, and you are going to see a lot of these things that are currently running, even though, again, we are not using them. Again, we are not using any of these here. We're going to go ahead and disable them, hit apply, and then hit OK. And what is going to happen is that you will need to restart your PC. But once restarted, you should be able to open your task manager, open the performance, and you will see that your CPU is now very low on usage. And again, everybody, that is how you're going to fix this problem. I hope this video helps you out.